All right, this video is to kind of lay out where we're at with the cabin for right now so you guys can see. So this is going to be a double French door, 3 4-foot wide by 6-foot tall windows, 1, 2, 3. And then that's going to be a bedroom window with a slider. All right, let's walk up. So French door will open this way, left hand open. We'll have a cabinet here and we'll pre-wire for washer and dryer later. Kitchen cabinets. Island thingy with a tabletop. Room for 4 chairs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn right to the door. We'll have a rock that'll be on top of the wood floor. This will all be floored, of course, but then a big rock on top of that, and then a wood burning stove with a pipe that'll run up and then out that small opening. Back to the kitchen. We'll run the sink in the corner. That way, if you're in the corner, you are looking out 2 big 3-foot by 6-foot windows. All right, turning a little bit, we'll have a refrigerator here. And again, the island thingy, continuing on this pathway. We'll have a little bit of space between the sliding door and the refrigerator. So this will be a sliding door here. Turning in front of those 3 windows, we'll have a queen sofa sleeper and coffee table. That'll look out towards that mountain bluff right there. This awning will be gone and it'll just be open. This will be kind of an open area, no man's land, with a big sliding door here that'll go out to the rear porch. Spiral staircase will go up to a loft that will be above the bathroom and bedroom. This support for this wall won't be here. On the side of the queen sofa sleeper, you'll have an open area. We'll have a sliding barn door, so it'll just kind of slide along the wall here. That'll lead into the bedroom with a cabinet, queen bed, cabinet, TV will be in the corner, and from the queen bed, a window opening that'll look out onto that mountain bluff again. Going out that bedroom door. From the kitchen will be a straight shot to the bathroom. Another barn door that'll slide in. Once you come in, we'll have a low profile sink with a mirror, divider wall in between the bedroom and bathroom. Old claw tub will go here and a toilet here. If you are in the bathtub, you'll have a lookout window here that'll go all the way down. Also, if you're on the throne, be able to look out. There'll be a window here, also 3-foot by 6-foot that'll slide open, and the bedroom window will also slide. Those will be the only 2 sliders. The other windows will all be fixed. Window here, window there in the kitchen, front living room times 3. All be fixed windows, picture windows, whatever you want to call them. And this will slide, that'll slide only. All right, back outside, rear porch. High penalty for failure if you fall off that side or that side. And then we'll do stairs down right there. And that's the cabin.